before I started doing work out here, creating another video, I have to put some old videos that I haven't put out yet. I took some videos of me taking care of the lawn shortly after it was dethatched. And as I went to check on the video, I realized that my microphone wasn't working. So a lot of the audio was lost on a lot of things that I said. So kind of got discouraged and didn't put anything out. But so I'm gonna put up that video. You'll see what the lawn looked like shortly after being dethatched and having the green punch. I keep calling it my green punch on it, and what it looks like now. In desperate need of some water, so I need to do that too. And then I also got some old videos of some of the stuff I trimmed up that I'm putting up there too. So stuff that I just forgot to put up. And then I was uploading a video from Monday Night Football when I got all that lightning here and they postponed the Raiders game. I uploaded that, but for some reason it wasn't uploading in high definition. It took well over 2 hours, so I deleted it. I'm re-uploading it now. So we'll see how that does. If I don't do yard work today, I'm gonna be inside all day tomorrow watching football, because it starts here at 6:30 in the morning. I swear. Kid is hanging out the window yelling. I hate my neighbors. Anyways, so let me go add this to video and edit some more. last look. My grandparents' house. My grandfather would come out here and just water by hand, so he didn't care. Me, I don't want to do that. I'm telling you, this stuff sure did fill in pretty good though. Just gotta water better here. So this bad boy, talk about this for a minute here. So I would always get weeds growing in here. So after I did the lawn renovation, a couple months later, I decided, let's put some grass seed in here, see what happens. There is an awful lot of sand in here because when those bricks were done, and just for some reason, this is the area that collected sand, not that side. There used to be a lemon tree here. So that has a lot of dirt in it. This side has a lot of sand in it. So the grass isn't doing too good. But I have not given any fertilizer, any pre-emergent, nothing for rust or anything. That's just perennial rye with the water I give it and really bad dirt. Just to see what happens. And there it is, folks. Not the best looking thing in the world. So I think every time I do fertilizing over here, I'm gonna squirt it with something over here. I'm not 100% sure, but I do think I did hit it with something at one point. I'd have to go back and check all the footage I've recorded since December. I ain't gonna do that. So I'm gonna say I didn't do anything. Don't judge me. That's about gonna do it for this video. I have done everything I feel like doing for the day. I'm going to have another beer and call it a night. But first, I'm going to show you the beer.